Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm out here with this bush plane again, y'all. Out here to attempt a night flight. I was going to put some more LEDs to the bottom of this, but right now I just have an LED on each tip of the wing and on the bottom. So limited LEDs, limited lighting for out here, but it's pretty bright out here, so I figured I should be able to still see it. So we're gonna take it up and check it out. I got 2 batteries. Doing some cleaning out here. Let's see what we can do with this thing. It seems pretty lit, y'all, out here. And the lighting on this thing isn't too bad. Oh, I did adjust the throws. I gave the servo arms, I used those, the furthest holes from the control arm to give this thing a little more throw, hopefully, in beginner mode, and I'm gonna try to fly it in beginner mode. We're gonna try to take off from right here on the ground. Oh. Sheesh. We were going uphill. Anyhow, let's see if I can. Uh-oh. Gotta pop this hood off again. Try to snap that back on. Okay, let's try that again, y'all. Look like that kind of worked for the throw, y'all. I could use some more LEDs for it though, I guess. Uh-oh. You're seeing the batteries dying. Let's try to come down for a landing. I'm not that good at landings yet, y'all. And the battery just died on me. I was trying to turn it around, y'all. Wasn't a hard crash though. Let's see. I got another battery right here. Yeah, it wasn't a hard crash. Just kind of ran off the road, ditched itself. Get this battery out of here. Let me try to pick it up one more time, y'all. already. Or was it letting me know that it was flying out of range or something? I need to practice landing. Let me try to come around and land it. I don't know what happened, but my phone stopped recording. Hopefully it didn't run out of space, but I did get some pretty cool landings off. Out here practicing my landings. Let's see if I can get another good landing. Getting better at my landings, y'all. Definitely getting better at taking off with it and landing. And flying it in general. Let me try to bring it down for a landing here. Ah. Okay. Alright. I'll take that as a final landing, y'all. I did a couple landings earlier and my phone just stopped recording. But pretty awesome little flyer. I'm really liking this little plane here. Good for beginners. You can, I kind of messed it up for myself. I glued this top wing on. But originally I was able to unscrew this and then pop this off. It was a little latch under there, and I was able to pop this off and get to the board in there, the flight controller. There's actually a spot for DSM and a spot for FR Sky on here, S-Bus, and so you can add a receiver to this so you can fly it with deviation or multi-protocol. And I really wish I wouldn't have glued this thing down, because I definitely would rather fly this thing with my Devo or my jumper. But not bad at all with this transmitter here. This is not a horrible transmitter by no means. Pretty decent flyer, good for beginners. And this is a Qidi 560 bush plane, or off-road plane is what they're calling it. Thanks for watching.